Today I have this purple space type gothic makeup for you. I thought it would be interesting to throw some black lipstick on, and you know, what goes better with black lipstick than purple eyeshadow, since clearly you all know I'm already obsessed with purple eyeshadow. But if you guys want to see how I do this look, go ahead and stay tuned. To start out, I'm going to prime my face and eyes using the Smashbox Pore Minimizing Primer and my Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer. And I am just rubbing that all over my face with my hands. Next, I'm going to go in with my Maybeline Fit Me foundation in shades 120 and 220, and I'm just mixing those together and beating it into my face with a damp beauty blender. I set my face using the RCMA No Color Powder and then went ahead and did my brows off camera. Now I'm going in with my Too Faced Peanut Butter Palette in shade Extra Creamy and just putting that all over the lid as a starting color to form the rest of the eyeshadow onto and blend out with. Now I'm putting on some tape so I can make sure those wings are fierce AF. Next, I'm going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette, and I am using shade Buon Fresco in my crease, and I'm going to use that to blend out the purple later on. Now I'm going in with my Urban Decay Electric palette with shade Urban, and I'm just blending that into the crease and then blending it out into that lighter, more purple shade we put on before, so there is a nice transition between that and my skin tone. The easiest way to do this is packing on the color as much as you can and then blending it out with a brush afterwards. You can go back and forth with the white shadow used at the beginning to help blend that out a little bit more into the skin color. Next, I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and a little concealer brush, and I'm just doing a little half-cut crease here. The best tip I have for you is use a rounded brush that basically does it for you and go very slowly. You can kind of blend out that edge with the brush to help make it a little bit easier to set some shadow on top of that later when you blend in the black with the shimmer shade we're going to put on top. Go ahead and set that with some white shadow and then go in on the very top of the cut crease to just define that purple a little bit more. Now we're going to start blending that purple in with the white that we put on our inner lid, and then going in with black to just darken up the outer corner of the eye. Remember, little black, build up as you go and blend out little by little, and then add more black and then blend and go back and forth until it is as dark as you would like. Next, I'm going in with my Milk Holographic stick in shade Supernova, and I'm just putting that all over the cut crease, making sure that it is nice and blinding. I'm going to go over that holographic stick with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild Glow Kit with shade Purple Horseshoe to just really make that purple holographic stand out and just give it a little more color and to set it so it doesn't crease and move around. And then I'm just blending in those shades with the black on the outer corner so it is all cohesive. Next, I'm going in with my Tarte Claypot liner to make that wing, and then finishing it off with my Kat Von D felt tip liner. And finished my face off with foundation. Of course, I used the same 2 shades that I mixed together on my forehead on the rest of my face. Next, I'm going in with my Ciate Bamboo Bronzer, and I am just buffing that into the hollow places on my face to help it look all sculpted and balanced out with the crazy eye that we just did. Next, I'm going under my eye with the same purple shade that we used on the top, and I'm just blending that and smoking it on the lash line to make it all nice and sexy. Going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild Glow Kit in the same shade that I used on the inner lid. I'm using purple horseshoe, and I am just putting that all over the high planes of my face so I am blinding and the gods can see me from heaven.
YouTube, this is Mary Winans.
Oh, hi YouTube. Hello.
Next, I'm going onto my waterline with my NYX pencil liner in shade Purple Blaze, and I'm just putting that on my lower waterline so it helps make that purple stand out down there even more. Then I'm going in with my Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in shade Weirdo, and I am just outlining my lips and filling them in as normal.
Alright guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed watching my video as much as I loved making it for you. I absolutely love this black lip. I'm obsessed with it, and I'm definitely going to start wearing them a lot more. I think they're very interesting and different, and you know, what's better than being different in the world, am I right? If you guys want to hang out with me when I'm not on YouTube, you can follow me on Snapchat at Alex_Underwood and on Twitter and Instagram at Alex with 2 X's 2017. Don't forget that second X because you won't be able to find me if you don't. And please like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell so you can get notifications for when I upload. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye, my aliens.